doesn't really matter to me.
Jeremy, watch out.
Oh God. Just killed a man. Put a gun against his head. Pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life has just begun. We're making a video right now, a music video. They're doing a synchronized swimming. Nick.
Right. How does it go, Sarah?
Yeah, you're not doing that great, but oh, there you go. That's pretty good.
Careful, this pool temper too. A 10.
Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go.